All right, so today we're looking at the Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restorer that we just tried on this 2002 Miata. The headlights started like this. Here's the one I have not done yet. It's got the brownish tint, kind of dull, can't really see through it. And I just finished doing this one. It came out pretty good. It's clear, you can see through it. I taped it off, so you don't wet sand the paint job. But all in all, it worked pretty good. It's got a bottle of essentially a liquid polish, and then it has this wet sanding pad that has two different grits on each side. I'm gonna guess probably like 1,500 on one side and 3,000 on the other, something like that. It doesn't say. So I did get it because I was gonna wet sand it on my own anyway, but this was a little easier. And then it has a ceramic coating, acrylic wipe thing that you do at the end that's supposed to kind of seal it. So I have not done the wipe. I'm gonna wait till I finish that one and then do them both at one time. You could probably do 2 sets of headlights with this. It was 10 bucks in my local Walmart. So far it's not a bad deal. Try it out. Peace.